You cannot do it on your own. If you have the right team, you'll be able to build up your portfolio. So the key thing here is you need to make sure that you have the right team and get this right team help you before growing. My name is Erwin Santiago and I am an IT manager from a financial institution. My background is in information technology. Before I went to the property expo, I was really into buying land and constructing. And my objective in going to that expo, Rusty, is to find a builder to construct my house from the land that I am about to purchase. And just passing by the Get Rare booth at the property expo, it just so happened that Rusty is about to give a seminar, and I just pop in and just listen to him. And just by listening to Rusty, it just give me another hindsight that, oh, maybe I can do it this way and not my way. And from there, Rusty was very accommodating. I have arranged some time with Rusty. He helped me explain how I can build up my portfolio. And from there, it's history. I have two of the planned home and land properties that I am about to buy. I already have put in a deposit on it. But upon meeting up Rusty, he suggested to me that I can build up my portfolio in another way rather than buying a house and land packages. And this led me think about, instead of waiting for how many years to get this thing started, I can start right now. And this led me to have two properties in just a span of less than a year, rather than I have to wait for more than 2 years to construct. I realized upon talking to Rusty, the risk is really very high on building this up. With the rising cost of construction, plus the interest rate, and plus the fact that I have to find really a builder, a quality builder that will really construct my house, it's really very high risk that I would be able to achieve what I would want to achieve in building this home. I met Rusty about June 2022, last year. And then from there, I have arranged a review with Rusty afterwards. And we have discussed what my goals are. And Rusty need to guide me on how I can build up my portfolio. And from there, Rusty helped me find my second investment property. And he guided me and he did all the things right for me. Rusty actually helped me source out the property. He did all the research for me, and he also sourced out a good broker for me as well. And from there, as soon as I managed to get my finance in order, Rusty started to look for a property wherein I cannot do it by myself, because I don't have any idea where to look at in the first place, where to start with, and I don't have any idea the profile of that location. And then afterwards, Rusty presented me some properties, and my wife, Rachel, and myself have decided to get this property from Rusty. And he also helped us find a property manager to manage this. So it's all smooth sailing and I don't have to do anything at all. It's just a matter of just signing up the papers and that's it. I didn't took time to go to the next one. So just after, I think about 3 months later on, we started to look for another property, and Rusty helped me to again source out another property. The broker that Rusty has recommended me helped out to sort out my finance, and I didn't really imagine that I can get all this finance sorted in just a matter of 3 months. And yeah, so it's the same thing that I got this property from Get Rare. So good. Yes, I have made the money. So these are the things that I'm really quite happy about it, that we have invested on this, and right now it just grew. The value of the property just grew. One of the property in Queensland, my return on investment grew around 64% in just a matter of 9 months. And then I have the second property in Western Australia. My return of investment grew around about 24 to 30% in just 4 months. I am very happy about that. And yeah, it was really a success. I really feel really good about it. And I do feel the sense of fulfillment that I have something, that I have achieved something about it. And now that going through this journey, I really feel comfortable that now there is someone who is guiding me. Rusty guided me all the way through this journey. I would recommend the Rusty to my peers and to my friends who would like also to experience the same journey that I have experienced and to help them build up their own portfolio. I can say that Rusty is really very knowledgeable in terms of property. He has a vast wealth of knowledge, and in terms of giving advice, he is very approachable. He's very down to earth, actually. So that's what I felt from Rusty, and I can relate to him. It's all good. My advice to those people who are starting into property investing and don't have any knowledge on property investing, seek professional advice. You cannot do it on your own. If you have the right team, you'll be able to build up your portfolio. So the key thing here is you need to make sure that you have the right team and get this right team help you build portfolio. Just like what I have experienced with Get Herrera Properties. They help us build up my portfolio, and also they help us build up a team from getting a broker to a property manager that help us go through all this journey.